Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart card online. We'll cover everything from setting up your card to making purchases and managing your account. Using your Walmart card online offers convenience and security, allowing you to shop from home and keep track of your spending with ease. It's a simple process that can save you time and enhance your shopping experience. To begin, simply log in to your Walmart.com account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create a new account in just a few minutes. Once logged in, find the Payment Methods section within your account settings. Here, you'll securely enter your Walmart credit card number, expiration date, and security code. Saving your card makes future checkouts much faster, often with just one click. When you're ready to make a purchase, add your desired items to your cart and proceed to checkout. At the payment step, simply select your saved Walmart credit card. Always take a moment to review your order details, including shipping information and total cost, before confirming. Using your Walmart card can also unlock special rewards, like 3% cash back on Walmart.com purchases, enhancing your savings. Managing your Walmart card online is incredibly convenient. You can easily view your transaction history and monthly statements, helping you stay on top of your finances. Making payments is also straightforward, allowing you to pay your balance securely from your account. You can update personal details, report a lost or stolen card, and even set up alerts for account activity, providing peace of mind and control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.